Hello, my name is Abhay Patil, and today's my topic is CDM and CRA. Today I am going to explain clinical trials. Clinical trials are a systematic study which conducts to evaluate the safety, efficacy, and potential risk of new drug, medical treatments, devices, or diagnostic tools in humans. They are an essential part of drug development and medical research, ensuring that new treatment are both effective and safe before reaching the general population. Before a clinical trials begins, extensive preclinical study are conducted in laboratories using in vitro cell culture and in vivo, which is in animals modules. This stage helps researchers determine whether the drug is toxic, its mechanism of action, and the optimal dosage range. If preclinical study showing promising result, researcher apply for regulatory approval to proceed with human trials. Clinical trial progress through four key phases. Phase 1 focus on safety and dosage. It involving 20 to 100 healthy volunteers or patients. The drug is administered in a small dosage, gradually increasing under close monitoring to determine the maximum tolerant dose and study pharmacokinetics. This page typically lasts a few months with about 70% of drug advancing to phase 2. In phase 2, the focus shifts to evaluating the drug efficacy and side effects among 100 to 300 patients with target disease, where patients are divided into two groups receiving different doses, placebo or standard treatment. This phase lasts several months to 2 years, with around 33% of drug processing to phase 3. In phase 3 trials aim to confirm the drug effectiveness, monitor adverse effect, and compare it with existing treatment. This phase includes 1000 to 3000 patients across multiple locations and involves randomized double blind and placebo control trials to ensure unbiased result. Some studies also use a crossover design where a patient receive both the new drug and the standard treatment at different intervals. Thereafter, phase 4. Phase 4, if successful, the manufacturer files a new drug application, that is a NDA, or a biologics license application, that is BLA, for approval. Thereafter, phase 4, also known as post-marketing surveillance, monitors the drug long-term safety, effectiveness in thousands to millions of real-world patients. This phase is crucial for identifying rare or long-term side effects and evaluating the drug's performance in diverse population. Pharmacovigilance plays a vital role in this stage, ensuring ongoing safety monitoring. Clinical trials can be categorized by based on their objectives. Inter, in, Interventional trials evaluate the effects of new treatment, while observations trials monitor patients' outcome without interventions. Preventing trials study ways to prevent diseases. Screening trials explore early detection methods, and quality of life trials focus on improving comfort for a patient with chronic illness. Regulatory bodies such as the CDSCO, that is Central Drug Standard Control Organization in India, the FDA, Food and Drug Administration in the USA, and the EMA, that is a European Medicines Agency, which is in Europe, ensures that clinical trials adhere to strict safety and ethical guidelines. The approval process begins with an investigational new drug, that is IND application before human trials, and concludes with the submission of an NDA or BLA after a successful phase 3 result. Regulatory review ensures the drug safety and efficacy before a public release. Thank you.